Dear friends, welcome back to English Story World Slow English Learning Videos. In today's short and interesting video, you will improve your English vocabulary, reading, writing, spelling, and listening skills in a very simple and easy way. This video is made in slow and clear English so that you can understand every word easily. You can listen carefully or even play it during your sleeping time to improve your listening skills naturally. If you want to listen faster, you can increase the playback speed in the video settings. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Story World for more helpful English learning videos. So, are you ready? Let's begin today's lesson. Ratan Tata. A story of simplicity, struggle, and service. This is not just a success story. This is the story of a man who proved that being kind is greater than being rich. A lonely childhood. Ratan Tata was born in a very rich family. But his childhood was not happy. When he was young, his parents separated. This broke his heart. He was raised by his grandmother. She taught him discipline, values, and kindness. Even though he belonged to a big business family, Ratan Tata felt lonely inside. This loneliness made him humble, learning life the hard way. Ratan Tata studied in India and abroad. He was intelligent, but more than that, he was respectful. He did not grow up with pride. He grew up with questions. What is the use of money if people are unhappy? What is the duty of a business to society? These questions stayed with him forever. Starting from the bottom. When Ratan Tata joined the Tata Group, he did not become a boss. He started working on the shop floor. He cleaned machines. He worked with workers. He got his hands dirty. People laughed at him. He is the owner's son. Why is he acting like a worker? But Ratan Tata believed something simple. To lead people, you must understand their pain. Becoming the chairman. In 1991, Ratan Tata became the chairman of the Tata Group. Many people doubted him. He is too soft. He is not aggressive. He cannot run such a big company. Even inside the company, some senior people did not support him. But Ratan Tata stayed calm. He believed in long-term vision, not short-term profit. Facing criticism and failure. Under his leadership, Tata Group made big decisions. Some decisions failed. The company lost money. Media criticized him. People mocked him. But Ratan Tata never blamed anyone. He said, "Take responsibility. Learn. Move forward." This attitude made him strong. The dream of a small car. One day, Ratan Tata saw a family riding on a scooter. The father was driving. The mother was sitting behind. A small child was standing in front. It was dangerous. That moment changed him. He thought, why can't India have a safe and affordable car? People laughed again. A cheap car? Impossible. You will fail. But Ratan Tata believed in people before profit. Birth of the Tata Nano. The Tata Nano was created. It was the world's cheapest car. It was not about money. It was about safety and dignity. Even when Nano failed commercially, Ratan Tata said proudly, "We tried to solve a problem. that matters. Taking India global. Under Ratan Tata, Tata Group became global. They acquired big international companies. India's name reached the world. But Ratan Tata stayed simple. He did not change his lifestyle. He did not chase luxury. He chased purpose. A man without ego. Ratan Tata never married. People asked him why. He smiled and stayed silent. He chose service over personal comfort. He lived alone, but worked for millions, helping in silent ways. Ratan Tata donated most of his wealth for education, for healthcare, for disaster relief. He never showed off charity. He believed real help does not need publicity. Respecting workers. During tough times, he refused to fire workers. He believed companies exist to serve people, not to exploit them. This made him respected, not feared. Leadership during crisis. When disasters struck India, Tata Group stood up. They rebuilt homes. They supported families. Ratan Tata personally monitored relief work. He felt the pain of common people. A simple life. Even with all success, Ratan Tata lived simply. No luxury show. No arrogance. No pride. His power came from humility. Lessons from Ratan Tata's life. He taught the world. You can be powerful and kind. You can be rich and humble. You can fail and still be respected. Message to the poor and struggling. Ratan Tata's life teaches. You don't need to be born poor to understand poverty. You need a heart. And you don't need to become rich to help others. You need intention. Final words. Ratan Tata is not just a businessman. He is a moral compass. In a world chasing money, he chased meaning. Success is not measured by wealth. It is measured by how many lives you touch.
Ratan Tata touched millions. Not with money, but with humanity.